Hello. In this short video I will show you how to change Opel 1.9 CDTI 110 kW 150 horsepower engine valve cover rocker cover gasket. This is the view that you will find when valve cover is removed. So start from removing fuel rail and all hoses and wires to get access. Then you need to pull out injectors. When that is done, you have to remove timing belt. So set engine on top dead center and then remove timing belt. Here you can see crankshaft mark, it's about 9 o'clock. Fuel pump doesn't need timing. And camshaft has lock in place. Injectors and injector seats must be cleaned before reinstalled. And you have to change these copper washers. They are inexpensive, so don't risk with old. Camshaft integrated into valve cover, and here how it looks. Also, I removed vacuum pump to replace gasket. It is located opposite side from timing belt. I removed camshaft sprocket too, because this seal leaks as you can see, and I am going to replace it. If you won't change the seal, I recommend to leave sprocket on this assembly. And here is camshaft lock in place that I was talking about. You can set timing on this engine without special locking tools. Through this hole you will find indentation in camshaft and just need to line up. New gasket is metal and should look like this. Clean both surfaces and reassemble everything back.